Hello and welcome to the AerologixMaps step-by-step tutorial. We're here to walk you through a 3-step journey of transforming aerial drone images into high-resolution maps. Start by either logging in or registering using your email ID, or through your Google or Apple account. Click on the new map option situated in the top right corner. Enter your project name, then click Continue. Select either RGB or multi-spectral as the preferred camera type. Next, select the type of processing. Keep in mind that this choice should align with the footage you intend to process, in order to achieve the most optimal results. Specify whether your captured data is georeferenced or not. Click Next to upload your drone footage. Navigate to the plus button and select Upload. In the event that your data is not georeferenced, you will be required to upload the flight log data as well. After uploading your images, proceed by clicking Next to begin the pre-processing of the data. Be aware that the processing time can differ depending on the quantity of images and their resolution. Next, a summary of the processing parameters will be displayed. It's important to remember that each processing task uses a certain amount of gigapixels. Should your gigapixel allowance be exhausted, you may need to acquire additional capacity. If the processing summary meets your expectations, proceed by clicking on Start Processing to commence the map generation. Once your processing is complete, you can view outputs like orthomosaic, DTM, DSM, and contour lines, and download a variety of other outputs tailored to your specific needs. Once you are satisfied with the output, you can effortlessly share the file with your clients by simply entering their email addresses. Congratulations! You've successfully generated a high-resolution map using AerologixMaps.